Welcome to today's video on Autodesk's Fusion Lifecycle, presented by SolidCAD. This is the first in a three-part series of Fusion Lifecycle videos. In this demonstration, we will review the new product or new project introduction process in Fusion Lifecycle. Fusion Lifecycle and Autodesk Vault Professional can be integrated to streamline the project creation process. In our example, we will begin by creating a project in Fusion Lifecycle. Upon approval, Fusion Lifecycle will then automatically create the project in Vault, complete with our defined folder structure. In Fusion Lifecycle, we will begin by accessing the Project Management workspace and then selecting the new project introduction. Each Fusion Lifecycle project is unique and can contain unique properties. We'll assign a project name and description to help identify the project. In our demo environment, a project may be owned by either the mechanical or electrical departments. We will select mechanical. Adding a thumbnail image can make it easier to identify the project quickly. It is important to designate team members with the authority to modify or approve project stages. We will designate one person to both functions on this project. Finally, we will also classify this project by industry. When complete, we save the project. The project now exists in Fusion Lifecycle, but has not yet been pushed to Vault Pro. We will return to that momentarily. Perhaps there are many related documents that you would like to associate with the project. These documents might include client specifications or perhaps vendor or product information. We can attach the files to the project to help manage the documentation. All types of documents, including drawings and PDF files, can be attached. To ensure everything is properly organized, we will define a folder structure to store this documentation. In our example, we will attach a Word document containing customer requirements. When stored in Fusion Lifecycle, these attachments or documents can be viewed through a web browser, making it easy to share files and information across your company. Now, let's look at the project approval process and workflow. In our example, we have defined multiple stages. We are currently in the project introduction stage. Fusion Lifecycle workflows can be defined to accommodate your complex internal processes. By advancing a project workflow from one state to another, project automation, tasks, and email notifications can be initiated. Let's begin the Fusion Lifecycle approval process. First, let's quickly switch our view to Vault Pro to illustrate that there is currently no folder structure. The structure will be created when the project is approved in Fusion Lifecycle. We return to Fusion Lifecycle and select the project introduction state to begin. As we progress through the stages of the approval, we can document the approvals with notes and comments. These notes are stored and serve as history that can be then referenced for future traceability purposes. By moving ahead in the workflow, we advance the workflow to the engineering and development stage, which initiates an automated task creating the project and folder structure inside Vault Pro. When we return to Vault Pro now, we see that a folder structure called Brewing Rack has been created. Looking closely at the folder, we also see that the folder is populated with properties such as department, industry, project description, and project name. Those properties were populated in Fusion Lifecycle as metadata and came across in the integration. Thank you for viewing this video. To learn more about Autodesk Fusion Lifecycle or other manufacturing solutions, please contact SolidCAD.